In this video, we'll take a closer look at AliExpress, find out whether it's really worth shopping on this platform, is a scam or a reliable marketplace. The first thing you should know is that AliExpress is an international marketplace where different sellers offer all kinds of products, from electronics and accessories to clothing, tools, and home goods. One of its main advantages is the huge variety of products and prices. You can find items that may cost more in other stores, although it's always a good idea to compare prices before making a purchase. Another important feature is the ratings and reviews from other customers. Before placing an order, you can check the seller's rating, read customer reviews, look at photos posted by other buyers, and see how many orders the product has received. We also need to consider shipping times. Depending on the product, seller, and warehouse it is shipped from, delivery times can vary considerably. When it comes to security, AliExpress offers secure payment systems and buyer protection mechanisms for eligible purchases. However, this doesn't mean that every seller offers the same experience. That's why it's important to choose sellers with good ratings and carefully check the product description before buying. So, is AliExpress a scam, or does it actually work? AliExpress is a legitimate international marketplace used by millions of customers, so it cannot simply be considered a scam as a platform. However, the shopping experience can vary depending on the seller and the product we choose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more tutorials, reviews, and comparisons explained step by step.